Hello everyone, welcome to DX11 channel, and today in this short video we are going to fix DX11 or 12 error for Rocket League. So before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, first of all download this folder from the link given in description and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. So now after following all these steps, just restart your PC and then open game and hope so your issue is fixed. So if you like this video, then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe to DX11 channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.